Okay, today we have a little different video of my car. This is my 1973 Beetle. Started to make some weird noises on the brake when I brake. So I'm just gonna take the brakes and take the wheel out and check the brakes, see what's going on, and just if I can figure out what's wrong and what's causing the noise. So here we go, across the camera. Okay, so let me do it from the front. Here we go, one more time from the camera. Okay, here we go. So this car here, I bought from a friend, from a co-worker, about 4 years ago. January, February, March, somewhere around there of 2019. And it was yellow originally, and I went and did a full restoration on the car and painted this color. And I did the full restoration, I'm talking down to the pan, in about, I think it took me a year and a half. So it's March to November, somewhere around there, the time frame. So, and it was quite fun. I learned a lot about cars and mechanics and doing all kind of jobs. I did everything on it. I did can't find my, I'll figure out what's going on. Why are my brakes making some weird noises? Okay. Oh yeah, I hear it. You hear it? Something is so. Allen key. Okay. Bearing. Uh-oh. Okay, let's put that like that right there. Scoot down. Scoot down. It's dragging somewhere. Still has enough meat. Could it be that it's dragging on the... I wonder if it's just dragging in the metal in the back. Put it back together. That specific spot is right around there. Something is dragging that spot. Can't really tell. Well, I see that the band here, the shoe has been worn kind of different. Oh. This is a little bit all bent, so I'm gonna try to straighten that up a little bit. And this is new. It was not doing this noise, so I don't know what's going on. What's going on right here? So bent. Giving you my head there. Ha! I guess that was it. Not making the noise anymore. Okay, let's put this sucker back together. Hasn't been started in about a week or so. So let's see. Not bad. Not bad at all. Back up here. Took a little bit to find the reverse there. Close, close. Here we go. So up front there's some turkey vultures. There was a rattlesnake that got killed last night here. There's the turkey vultures eating the rattlesnake. See them fly out right there. Show you what's left of this rattle. It's a decent sized one too. It's a western diamondback rattlesnake. Oh, but that's not what we're here for. Let's do this. That's it. That fixed that noise. I will know now for sure when I start applying the brakes. Oh yeah. No problems whatsoever. Here's a little view of the car. So some of the things I did to the car was pretty much all the chrome except the bumpers and the antenna got painted in flat black or satin black. Rings, the light covers, the hub covers, the mirror, that trim, well, that was hard to paint, so I just didn't even try it. But the handles are blacked out. hubs, the shroud for the lights, the back light thingamajig, the supports again. So little warning for those who are riding with me. The car was actually very clean, very little rust, other than typical under the seats and some of the floor pans. I replaced the seats. I redid the door panels, I did the upholstery, I did everything. I did the dash pad. I replaced the seat. These are 2008, I want to say, Mini Cooper seats. I made a bracket to hold them, so they're good. I made a little tray there. Back seat is still the original, but again matches the panels upholstery. Some little Sony speakers over there, some speakers on the doors, and the required fire extinguisher. That's it. 1973 Beetle, as my kid likes to call them. We call them gray.